Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness are seen by the one who never forgets. This is Emad, a boy with a quiet heart and a kindness no one seemed to notice. Every day, he shared what little he had.
Look at him feeding the pigeons. What a loser!
Some people laughed, wondering why he gave away his food. One day, Emad had nothing left for himself. But the one who sees never forgets. The birds led him to a place of unexpected provision. And Emad understood kindness is never lost. What you give for the sake of Allah always finds its way back to you.